What's up, guys? It's Eddie the Poetic Picker, and I just wanted to put out a quick video to kind of let you know what's been going on and why I haven't put out a video this week. So, as of today, it's been exactly 1 week since I put out a video, and what happened was on Monday I got really sick, and I've been bedridden since then. And today was the first day where I was finally able to do a little something. I'm still not great. It's not the sickness that's going around. It's just a stomach issue. And I don't think it's contagious. I think it's just something to do with my own personal stomach things that I've been dealing with for a few years now. I haven't felt this bad since last year after we get put on a bunch of medications. And I thought this was settled. I don't know what's going on with it, but I just kind of want to let you know what's going on. I haven't quit making videos. I've just been sick and bedridden, and I haven't been able to get in here to record anything. I had a few videos planned for this week, but obviously that's not going to happen. But maybe next week, hopefully I can get back on track and I can get back to it. My eBay store has been suffering as well. I haven't been able to put as much work into that. I have managed to do some, but nowhere near what I should be doing. But the sales are still okay because I've had a lot of stuff that still sells, and I was able to do take a few listings down and relist them, so I'm making sure I get my listings every night anyway. But hopefully next week everything will be back to normal, and just kind of want to let you know, guys, that please bear with me when I get through this, and we'll get back to it. All right, bear with this video. It's probably gonna be very minimal editing because I really do need to get back laying down. I don't feel great. It's been I probably pushed myself a little too hard today, because it was the first day I actually got a chance to do a little work, so I did the work, and now I'm hurting for it. But yeah, so this video is not gonna be great. It's not gonna be anything profound. I just kind of wanted to give you a quick update and let you know what's going on. Anyway, thanks guys for your support and for bearing with me, and I'll see you in the next one.